Hello family, hope you are doing well. In this second discussion, we're learning about a compelling topic which is food. Stay tuned and let's see what I got in my opinion. Now let's start with the first question. How many food groups do you know? What are they? What are the purposes of food groups? To my knowledge, we have 5 food groups. Fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. I believe we can easily know the first 2 groups that mentioned by their name. All the fruits, vegetables, and beans belong to this group. They both provide vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and phytonutrients, which is nutrients naturally from plants that keep your body fit and stay healthy. How about grains? Grains can be bread, cereals, rice, pasta, noodle, and more. They provide a large number of complex carbohydrates which are used as energy for our body. Next group, we have protein foods such as meat, fish, egg, tofu, nuts, and so on. This is an important part of our diet. It can be used as an energy source, but the main function of protein is build up and remain our bones and muscles. As you can see, bodybuilders consume a lot of protein foods in their meal every day. Last but not least, the dairy group provides many nutrients including calcium and several vitamins, which are needed to maintain strong bones and teeth. Cheese, milk, and yogurt are commonly seen in the dairy group. The purpose of food groups is to help us in keeping a healthy diet. It's so much easier when we say, you need to eat 500 grams fruits every day. Then you need to consume 100 milligrams of vitamin C and 30 grams of fiber every day. For example, we can get the nutritional needs without nutrition calculation just by following scientists' suggestions for each group food. Let's move to question number 2. What can you do to keep your body healthy? Enjoying more nutritious food or doing exercise? Why? This is an interesting question since our generation is more focusing on healthy lifestyle and I'm following it as well. I truly believe we are what we eat. So eating healthy food with enough nutrients is a key to stay healthy. Besides, doing exercise helps us to burn excess calories that we consumed. We absolutely will feel more strength, flexibility, mobility when doing workout regularly. We not only get physical results but also get mental. Therefore, we need to combine exercise with good nutrition to keep a healthy and happy life. Last question. In your opinion, you live to eat or you eat to live, and why? I think it's hard to get an exact answer for this question. I consider I'm a food lover. I'm really joyful when eating delicious food. So I'm now living to eat, but in control. You can eat whatever you like, whenever you crave for, but you need to know what you are consuming. I'm now a flexitarian. One of the reasons why I'm not a vegetarian is I'm more into food, but I want to reduce animal death just for my satisfaction. Who knows, one day, not far away, I'll change my mind to eat to live and eat veggie full time. No matter what kind of lifestyle eating you are, I hope you're grateful for all the food we're having, while many children out there are victims of famine. Well, that's all my thoughts about discussion 2. Thank you for your attention and I see you soon.